Here's 3 camera accessories you need to check out if you own an action camera. Number 1 is this 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that's not only a super high quality power bank, but it's also a selfie stick. The end of the selfie stick is equipped with a Type-C cable that can keep a GoPro or other action camera topped off on battery with up to 18-watt fast charging. The telescopic selfie stick ranges from 8¼ inches when collapsed and close to 3 feet when fully extended. The power bank itself is covered with a grippy rubber coating that makes for a hefty but comfortable handle. There's a 1/4 thread mount at the top for connecting the camera and a second one on the bottom for connecting to a tripod. And the entire thing is water resistant. Well, this is capable of charging any kind of camera that has a Type-C charging port. You can tell it was specifically designed to be used with a GoPro because they've actually included a weather-resistant pass-through door that you can switch out on your GoPro so that the battery door can remain closed while it's charging. This battery door is compatible with GoPros 9, 10, and 11. Of course, I had to try this out with an Insta360 camera to see if it would work as an invisible selfie stick. And while the stick itself was completely invisible, there was a few times that this charging cable was moving around a bit and was visible in the shot. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for 360 cameras. However, for all of you GoPro users out there, this is a great accessory that's going to keep your GoPro battery topped off for up to 5 hours of continuous runtime. Up next is another selfie stick. This is an ultra-long carbon fiber selfie stick that's nearly 8.5 feet long when fully extended. This is an accessory that everybody with a 360 camera should definitely have. Not so much for taking selfies, but for capturing drone-like footage. The carbon fiber materials make the selfie stick super lightweight, but yet strong at the same time. It's super rigid, it barely flexes at all, even when it's fully extended with an Insta360 camera attached to the end of it. It does work as an invisible selfie stick, and I really love that the telescopic rods can rotate and lock into place at any position. It has a comfortable rubber handle with a 1/4 thread mount at the bottom for connecting to tripods. Unfortunately, the camera mount is action camera style mounting forks, and this is not removable. I would have preferred to see a 1/4 thread mount, although there is a 1/4 thread mount adapter included with the selfie stick. I do really like this selfie stick. It's very high quality and has some great features. Now, this is an accessory you should definitely check out if you like filming water sports. This is a waterproof housing that's compatible with the GoPro Hero 9, 10, and 11. And while all of those action cameras are waterproof on their own, this waterproof housing has one specific purpose, which is to create shots like this, where the camera can see above and below the water at the same time, something that's nearly impossible to do without this accessory. This giant bubble lens creates a gap between the water and the camera lens, giving you more leeway to adjust where the surface of the water is in the video. This dome is super clear. It does not degrade the quality of your video at all. It's waterproof down to 90 feet. There's a clear back so you can still see the GoPro screen, and there's buttons on the outside of the case for pressing the power button and the record button on the GoPro. The handle is adjustable and connects to the housing with action camera style mounting forks, and there's 1/4 thread mounts on the end of the handle as well. If you want any of this gear, there's links for it in the description below. Go watch some more of my videos over here, and I'll see you in the next one.